So the number of steps on the stairs will increase from 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? One step is really just one cube, right? So really there's only one cube introduced, so the total number of cubes will be 1. But for 2 steps, right, we have to add these 2 new cubes, these 2, okay? So then the number of new cubes will be 2, but the total is 3. If you want 3 steps, you need to add these 3 new cubes. So 3 new cubes are added, the total will be 6. And finally, for the 4th step, we need to add 4 cubes, okay? So 4 new cubes are added, but the total number of cubes will be 10. Okay, so we have this, and now we want to make a graph, right? So let's make a rough graph here. Right, here's my horizontal and my vertical axis. And between the number of steps, so number of steps, and the number of new cubes, right? So number of steps is 1, number of new cubes is 1. So this is 1 and 1. Next we have 2, and then we have 2. Then we have 3, and then 3, so that's around here. And then 4 and 4, right? So there's something interesting about this, is that it makes a straight line just going this way. Okay. Now, if I make a graph of the relationship between the number of steps and the total number of cubes, right? So that's a little bit different this time. Okay, so here's my x and y. This is the number of steps again. And this is number of total cubes. Right, number of steps will have 1, 2, 3, and 4. This time we have 1, then we have 3, so something much higher, then 6, and then 10. Right, so the pattern is slightly different. So it kind of curves up this way, right? It's not very much a straight line. So the main difference between these two is that this is linear and this is not, right? And this one, right, as we increase the number of steps, the number of new cubes added is exactly the same as the number of steps we have. So the 5th step would require us to add 5 new cubes. But here, notice that as we increase the steps, we actually increase, right, the total number of cubes by more, right? Here we have 1, 1, but then once we're on the 2nd step, we don't have 2 total cubes, but we have 3, right? So this y value increases faster than the x value. That's why it's curved upwards like this, okay?